Hi guys, welcome to another cooking vlog, and for this video, we will make kutsinta. Kutsinta is another type of steamed rice cake that is available in the Philippines. In a mixing bowl, place 2.5 cups of water, followed with 1.5 cups brown sugar. Mix until sugar is dissolved. When the sugar is completely dissolved, let's add 1 cup of tapioca flour. Now let's add 1 cup of all-purpose flour and continue mixing. And now we are ready to add 2 tablespoons of annato powder that is being diluted in 1/2 cup of hot water. This time we can add a teaspoon of lye water and continue mixing until everything is well combined. And now let's strain the mixture. Now we can portion the mixture and place in a silicone molder. In a boiling water, place the mixture, cover, and steam for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, kutsinta is already cooked. Let's transfer to a plate and give it time to let it cool. Now let's unmold the kutsinta.
So tired of making me take a night, ridiculous, all that I'll do cause of you. I let you show, don't let you in on my life. I tell you the things that you need to know. I know you like that, I know you need that.
For my preference, I'd like to add grated coconut on the top, but you can add dulce de leche or grated cheese if you want. It's tasting time! Of course, this is yummy and easy to make. Thank you for watching everyone. Until my next cooking vlog. Bye!